we're going to learn how to create a virtual Bitmoji classroom in Google Slides and use it in Google Classroom. First, let's go to our drive. You're going to click New, Google Slides, and click Blank Presentation. Once you do that, this should come up. We want to change our background. So, slide, change background. We're going to choose image. We're going to type in wall and floor background transparent. I like this one, so let's use this one. You could also use the background of your real classroom if you wanted to. And so we've inserted it. How about if we insert a, I don't know, couch. Let's choose that one and insert it. And you can scale the size of your couch. I also want to insert how about if we insert a classroom whiteboard and find one that you like. How about this one? Let's insert that. Love it. I want to make it a little bit smaller. I think I'm going to put it over here. And you see how this couch, it just doesn't look right. So I'm going to format. Sorry, I didn't mean format. Arrange, you're going to rotate that. I'm going to flip it horizontally. Looks much better. And now you're going to go to Google Chrome Store. Right here, Google Chrome Store, and type in Bitmoji. Now, you can see that I already have the app already on my Chromebook, and there it is. So you're going to click on it and fitting. I've already created an emoji of myself. How about this one? Yes. So we're going to try and find a picture of me sitting. I've already typed in sitting. Here I am. So once you find the picture that you like, now I'm just going to copy the image and paste it in. And resize myself. Well, that doesn't look good. I'm not sitting correctly. There. And you can just put yourself in. I'm also going to put how about a bookshelf? And what if I pick that one? It's going to insert it. Wow, what a big bookshelf. And let's put it down a little bit smaller. Perfect. All right, and maybe a little bit bigger. Awesome. Now it's the first day back to school. I always read the book, First Day Jitters. I had already screenshotted the cover of the book. So I'm just going to place it here. First Day Jitters. There. Looks perfect. And I want to link it. So I'm going to go to YouTube. Usually I would do the read aloud of me reading the book. I'm going to control copy that link. Then I'm going back, and my cover, book cover, is highlighted here. I want to insert a link to it. I want to get rid of this. I want to insert a link, and that's the link I want to insert. I'm going to apply it, and I want to write in my whiteboard. So I'm going to insert a text box. How about if I go okay, let's just keep it simple and there. Maybe I want to, I don't know, center it, fold it, make it a little bit bolder. And there it is. You can even insert a text box right here. Click in it. Can't really see that, so I want to change the text color, maybe to white. A little bit bigger. There you go. Please read this great book. And if you wanted to, you could insert an arrow. Let's see, an arrow to insert. Ah, perfect. It's going to insert ginormous, I bet you. There it is, but resize it down. We'll put it here so that when they click on this, it's going to take them to the book.
What can the teacher reads? I'm Miss S.
Now, you can't let the kids, just have access to this PowerPoint. So please make sure to go File, and you want to save it as a PDF. So download as a PDF document. All right. I'm going to go File, Download, and you want to download it as a PDF because you don't want the kids to go in there and be moving your things all around like they're going to. So now I've downloaded. I'm going to go to my Google Classroom. Under classwork, I'm going to hit Create Assignment. I'm going to add from my drive. That's where it went. There I am. And I'm going to insert. And there you want to make a copy for each student. Definitely want to put a due date on this. And of course, and just type in whatever directions you want to type in. I want them okay? So that's how easy it is. And then they just click on it. And here it is. And they're ready to read First Day Jitters on their first day.
I'm Miss S. Today, we're going to read First Day
And that
Jitters. Written by Julie Danberg, illustrated by Judy Love.
Is how to create a virtual Bitmoji classroom in Google Slides and use it in Google Classroom.